Scene 1, Intro. A person, visibly frustrated, is sitting at a desk surrounded by bills and a laptop. They are staring at their phone, trying to remember their Monzo PIN. Narrator, voiceover. Have you ever been in that situation? You're trying to make a quick payment, but you can't remember your PIN? It's a frustrating experience that we've all faced at some point. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Monzo pins and explore some tips and tricks to help you remember yours. Scene 2. What is a pin? A simple animation shows a lock with a number pad. Narrator, before we get into Monzo specifically, let's quickly define what a pin is. A PIN, or personal identification number, is a secret code used to authenticate your identity. It's a crucial security measure that protects your money and personal information. Scene 3, Monzo PIN Basics. A person is shown using their Monzo app to access their account. Narrator, so, what's the deal with Monzo pins? Well, when you first set up your Monzo account, you'll be asked to create a 4-digit PIN. This PIN is used to access your account, make payments, and authorize transactions. Scene 4, why is my PIN important? A montage of potential security threats is shown, such as someone trying to steal a phone or access an account online. Narrator, your Monzo PIN is a vital security feature. It's the key to your account, so it's important to keep it safe. If someone were to get hold of your PIN, they could potentially access your funds and make unauthorized transactions. Scene 5, tips for remembering your PIN. A person is shown writing down a PIN on a piece of paper. Narrator, now, let's talk about some strategies to help you remember your Monzo PIN. One common approach is to write it down and keep it in a safe place. However, this isn't always the most secure option. A better idea is to create a memorable sequence of numbers that you can easily recall. Scene 6, Mnemonic Devices. A person is shown using their fingers to count out a sequence of numbers. Narrator, mnemonic devices can be a helpful way to remember your PIN. For example, you could associate each digit with a letter of your name or a significant date. You could also use a simple math equation or a pattern of numbers that's easy to remember. Scene 7, avoid common mistakes. A person is shown entering a PIN incorrectly multiple times. Narrator, it's important to avoid common mistakes when entering your PIN. Don't write your PIN on your card or keep it in your wallet. Also, be careful not to enter your PIN in public places where someone might be watching. Scene 8, what to do if you forget your PIN. A person is shown calling Monzo customer support. Narrator, if you forget your PIN, don't panic. Monzo provides a way to reset it. You can usually do this through the app or by contacting customer support. They'll guide you through the process and help you regain access to your account. Scene 9, additional security measures. A person is shown enabling biometric authentication on their Monzo app. Narrator, in addition to remembering your PIN, there are other security measures you can take to protect your Monzo account. Consider enabling biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, to add an extra layer of security. Scene 10, conclusion. The person from the beginning of the video is shown successfully entering their PIN and making a payment. Narrator, remembering your Monzo PIN can be a challenge, but by following these tips and taking additional security measures, you can keep your account safe and avoid frustration. With a little effort, you'll be able to easily recall your PIN and enjoy the convenience of using your Monzo card. Narrator, voiceover. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time.